we decided to get a taste of the real India, right? And we booked a tour through the train going to Agra to see famous Taj Mahal. We're about to depart soon. What they call the first class train. The videography inside Taj Mahal is not allowed, unfortunately. So we're leaving the Taj Mahal now. It was quite an experience being inside. It's actually very touching, and when you remember the story behind it, the entire area, the entire palace or mausoleum, everything was built out of love of one man to one woman. I guess, you know, he had 4 wives, but this one was his favorite wife. It is inspirational and beautiful. Here in India, when we walk around, people ask frequently to take selfies with us. I guess we sort of novelty, you know, for people in some provinces do not see European people as often, only in movies. And Anna was posing quite a few times today with with different selfies. She's gonna be a local Indian celebrity very soon. But otherwise, everyone was really nice and welcoming.